noong September 17, 2025, the acting ombudsman Dante Vargas issued an office order na ang nangyari po, lahat po ng criminal or administrative complaints that were filed within 10 days prior to that order, meaning to say, magsisimula ng September 7 to 16, mawawala yung docket number. Dalawa po ang epekto. Halimbawa po, yung September 15, 2025, ito po yung pinail ni Acting Mayor Baste Duterte. So dahil naalisan po ng docket number yung pinail niya, dahil na-cover po ng office order, yung pong ombudsman natin nakaligtas. Dahil ang immediate effect po ng pagkakaalis ng docket number, these cases will now be under evaluation. Sa makatwid, hindi sa active case. Kaya po si Ombudsman ay nakakuha ng clearance at nakalusot po yung aking kaibigan, Crispin Remulla, as now the Ombudsman. Kaya po binabanggit, yung pong inyong pinail ay covered po September 11 po kasi sa makatwid, naalis din po ng docket number yon. Nalagay sila ngayon sa evaluation process. So sa makatwid, kung makikita ninyo, walang basis yung preventive suspension because they became cases under evaluation. Napansin po nyo, Secretary? While it benefited the Ombudsman, hindi po nagkabisa yung suspension ninyo because both of these cases were covered under the order issued by Dante Vargas. So may nagsasabi nga, Mr. Chair, kapag ikaw ay nanalangin para umulan, kinakailangan ay pagtiyagaan mo yung putik na idudulot nito.